Hi guys. So, Dad got his teeth all pulled out. He's not doing too bad. He started getting a little ornery at the end there, but he's feeling pretty good now. And my son called me, wanting to know when I could fix his truck. And now it's raining. The floor's getting soaking wet because it's a fucking tent. But anyways, I have some time now, so I started cutting it. Right or wrong, cutting and button. I gotta cut to about here. I got that pretty close. So I'll just keep working my way down. And then I have to try and get that right and then work my way across. That's the way I'm doing it. I don't know, we'll see. I'm pretty much just start cutting and getting the panel flat. And then I cut a little bit and I weld to where it's flat and I cut a little bit more. And it seems like it's working. Ain't the prettiest thing in the world, but hey, it's what I can do. Well, I worked my way down that side. That's not looking too bad. So I cut it and started working my way this way. I can't cut down to the fender because the blade's too big. I'll end up cutting into the fender. And I'll keep working my way across. I try not to get too far ahead with the cut. That way, as you cut it, it goes flat. So, we'll see. Well guys, I got the top side all cut and butt. Over on this side, I gotta get some more light in here. I couldn't really see what I was doing, so I was kind of welding that blind. And then when I got up in here, I could see what I was doing. The lights are shining down good. That don't look too bad. That looks like turkey poop. I gotta get some more lighting in here. Anyways, I can't cut it down until I take my fender off. But I believe she's tacked on there to where she ain't moving. So now I can take my fender off and finish her up. She ain't sitting too bad. I think that'd be okay. Anyways, guys, I gotta work tomorrow. I'll talk to you guys later.